ezigbo nwa. Ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma. Kedu ndị jere akwụkwọ taa? Kedu ndị jere akwụkwọ
Anyị
taa?
mutere science, library, English, reading, na egwuregwu.
Amazing. Ọ dị mma. Kedu ndị jere akwụkwọ taa? Chimdi ụtọ, unu ejere akwụkwọ taa? Kedu ihe unu mụrụ na ụlọ akwụkwọ unu?
Literacy, guided reading,
Guided reading,
science,
science,
art.
art. I love
Ndị niile
art.
nọ na klaasị a gbanyenụ vidiyo unu.
Yeah, designing.
Onye ọbụla nọ na klaasị a gbanye
I did
vidiyo ya.
fashion designer.
Fashion designer. Who
Onye
does
ọbụla
fashion
nọ na
designer
klaasị a
classes in
gbanye
school?
vidiyo gị. Ịma na ị nọ na
Two
klaasị a
people
gbanye
do not
vidiyo
have
gị.
their video on.
Your video needs to be on.
All videos, that's a sign of respect. All videos must be turned on so that we see your fine and beautiful. Where's OC, Summer? Where's OC?
He's not here.
Okay.
Where
Tell
is
him
he
I'm-
then? Where did he go? He has disappeared.
No offense, he might have gone to go serve in the Royal Navy.
Oh, okay.
Goodbye.
Oh,
He's gone.
Summer, ị jere ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Summer dị ụtọ, ị jere akwụkwọ taa? Ọ dị mma. Summer osi, ị jere akwụkwọ taa?
Hey, Odima.
Asị m, ị jere akwụkwọ taa? Ị jere ụlọ akwụkwọ taa?
English, art, and science.
Amazing. Ị mụtara English, science na classroom. Ọ dị mma. Muna, ị jere akwụkwọ taa?
I don't know how to respond.
Ị jere ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Ọ
I
dị
did.
mma. Kedu ihe ị mụtara n'ụlọ akwụkwọ taa? Kedu ihe a kụziri unu taa?
PE, physical education, maths, guided reading and reading, writing,
Lay.
lunch, play, break time, home time.
My favorite lesson.
Okay.
Mine too.
Amazing, amazing. Ọ dị mma. Na nke taa anyị ga-amụ ihe dị iche iche anyị ga-amụ on the day of our graduation.
I can't wait for us to graduate.
Really?
Is there going to be another one after we finish graduating? Is there going to be like another Igbo lesson with you?
My mom said that I'm not coming back to this class and only Summer's gonna come because I've got other things to do. Like design.
Aww.
I know, I'm sad too. Oh, am I coming to this? Yeah, you're coming back, but I'm going.
Yuto is going to grammar school. Summer is coming. Everybody that
You know that's
For
data.
That's
ọ dị mma. So
That's data. Let's see.
ihe anyị ga-amụ
That's
tata
data.
bụ
See.
ihe dị iche iche anyị ga-eme.
Do you know that?
During-
Do you know that Christmas is made up?
Who is talking? Okay, so ihe anyị ga-amụ tata bụ etu our program ga-esi wee gaa. So anyị ga-enwe ekele. Coach Noni ga-ekene onye ọbụla. So ụbọchị graduation, make sure you reach out and invite your aunts, your uncles, your grandpa, your grandma. Tell them, I am graduating from early beginner class in Umomibo. Come and celebrate me. So everybody Gabia, you come in with your traditional dress. It's going to be hot. It's going to be
Okay.
so
But can
beautiful.
I tell you something? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go call my grandparents and all my cousins, send them the WhatsApp thing, and then they can log in, and then they'll be here
Yeah,
graduating with me.
of course. And
You
you're
can bring
going
your
to
family
tell
members
them how much Igbo you have learned so far.
in.
Anyị ga-asụ Igbo. Anyị ga-amụ ihe Igbo dị iche iche anyị na-amụ kamgbe. So ị ga-asị ha, aha m bụ Muna. So everybody ga-eje mee 1 minute video. Kọwaa onwe gị n'Igbo. Kọwaa ihe na-amasị gị n'Igbo. So basically, let me get something.
Are we going to do a Kahoot today?
We
We
did that already.
We did that already.
When?
Last week when you weren't here.
Without me!
You never know when Jesus will come, you see?
This has nothing to do with Jesus, no offense.
No
And
offense.
also,
No offense.
why do you have a Kahoot screen in your background?
Don't know. It's because it shows I'm number 1. I am, and I will
know
be
that I would
number
always
1
beat you
at
at Kahoot.
all times.
Nope, I always beat you in Kahoot.
No, you don't.
That's final.
I beat you all the time.
Nope, that's final. I win against you. That's final. That's final.
I literally won against a teenager on Saturday.
You sure? You sure?
Yeah.
Like, you
Well,
can
we
go
kind of
against me, though?
tied.
Chinemerem.
We tied, basically.
Chinemerem.
Yeah.
Ihe anyị na-eme kịta bụ oge Igbo.
Bro actually didn't beat the teenager.
A group.
Chinemerem. Rie nkwu. Asị m ihe anyị na-eme kịta bụ oge Igbo. Ị ga-adị na-asụ Igbo. Achọghị m ịdị na-anụ oyibo.
Oh.
Ọ dị mma.
Waharam.
Why are you waving a Barbie doll at your screen?
Mechionu. And Genti.
Ị na-anụ ihe class monitor na-agwa gị? Muna,
That's
gee ntị n'ihe a na-ekwu.
You're showing a Barbie hat.
So, is everybody seeing my screen?
Yep.
Okay, so ihe anyị ga-amụ tata, let me move this so in line with our celebration, listen, everybody pay attention. We are serious right now. In line with our celebration, everybody is going to send in a 1-minute video. In that 1 minute, you will introduce yourself in Igbo. Afambo. Tell us much about yourself. Why your favorite Igbo words or your favorite Igbo sentences. And send an appreciation to Coach Noni and Umoma Igbo Academy and all your experiences, what it has been like, and what you're looking forward to in the next cohort. Okay? So the first thing, introduce yourself in Igbo. Tell us all the beautiful things you've learned so far in Umoma Igbo Academy. Tell us the favorite words. These things are in WhatsApp. I've sent it to your parents. So I'm just rehearsing it and recapping it so that when they send it to you, it will make sense to you. You're going to tell us what you've learned so far, your favorite Igbo words, what's made the experience so much fun, an appreciation message to Coach Noni and Umoma Igbo Academy. And of course, I want you to use as much Igbo as possible, as much as you have learned. Just enjoy doing it. We're going to spotlight every one of you on your graduation. and it's going to be so, so amazing. Having moved from not knowing how to speak to speaking, and all the improvements we have seen so far in each one of you. I'm so proud of every one of you here. You've put in your best. Now it's time for us to actually appreciate you guys, right? So now that video, if I'm the one doing the video, aha m bụ Coach Noni. Abụ m onye Agụlụzi Igbo na Anambra Steeti. Anọ m na klaasị nke ngwụcha. Abụ m onye nkụzi n'ụmụọma Igbo Academy. Ebi m na United States of America. Ihe na-amasị m bụ igwu egwu ya na inedo ụmụazị anya. Na ụmụọma Igbo Academy, amụtara m ihe dị iche iche. Amụtara m maka ezinụlọ m. Amụtara m maka ime ụlọ klaasị. Amụtara m maka okwu dị iche iche. Amụtara m maka nri. Amụtara m maka isi ofe, ịgwọ abacha. Ihe achọrọ m iji ohere a wee kene onye nkụzi anyị Coach Noni, ihe ndị ọma o metala anyị, otu o si wee kụziela anyị Igbo, anyị wee bụrụ ndị na-asụ Igbo. Nwezikwa ike anyị sị Igbo amaka.
My favorite word.
Your favorite word. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I want everybody to do this and submit to Telegram from now till Wednesday next week. Okay? Enwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Enwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Enwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Mmasị, ị nwere ajụjụ? Okay. Sọmma, ị nwere ajụjụ? Sọmma Osi, ị nwere ajụjụ?
Where's Osi? I miss him.
Yeah, I do too. Sọmma Osi, where's ị nwere ajụjụ? Do you have a question, Sọmma?
Mba.
Ezigbo nwa, deme. So, onye ọbụla mee ya bụ ọrụ.
Enweghị m ajụjụ.
Enweghị ajụjụ, ezigbo nwa. Okay. Ọ dị mma. So that 1 minute video, we are going to use it to spotlight you. So when we call you Professor Chinemerem, we'll put on the video, we'll play it, and we'll play all your activities that you've been involved in and how much you have grown through the process in Igbo and how ready you are for the next level. And when we call Chimdioto will call, we'll spotlight her, we'll share her. So call your grandparents. You're gonna be on the spot, like you're gonna be like a superstar that day. Like seriously, don't.
This is how I look without my glasses.
Don't even miss it. And make sure if you have grown your traditional wear, make sure your mom buys you one.
Okay.
Even if it's just the shirt. I'm going to show you what the traditional clothes look like. So you come with any one of them, it's fine.
Oh my God, I look so different without my glasses.
Who wants to host this event? Who wants to host it?
Host what?
Who is going to host this event?
Me.
Me.
What? Isn't it you?
Yeah, so I'm not going to be the one talking. Somebody's going to be the one telling us different things that we're going to be doing.
Well, that's totally me. I take dibs. I say dibs. I take dibs.
You gotta say, ndewo ndị nne na nna. No,
grandpas and grandpas.
No, grandpa and grandpas. No. It's going to be exciting. Odema. So I will do the greeting. We'll have the children introduction, the spotlighting of the children. Then we'll have cultural demonstration. We're going to sing songs and we're going to have the music. And we have Okay. So let's start with cultural demonstration. We are going to
What is
be
cultural demonstration? Oh, that's me. Well, kind of what I'm wearing.
That looks.
Yeah.
I'm
Do you know
wearing
what? Do you know the
Ishagu.
name of what you're wearing?
Ishagu.
Ishiago. Everybody say it. Ishiago.
Ishiagu.
Masi.
Ishi.
Kedu ihe a na-akpọ akwa
Ishagu.
Ishiago?
Goes over. Over. Will it
Ị
go
nwe-
over? Oh, fine.
ị nwere Ishiago?
It's gonna hit the post.
He has.
Hit the
Unu
post.
enwere Ishiago?
Hit the post.
He has.
Okay, very good. So these are the things that we can wear. So you can see the Ishiago is one of the very core traditional fabrics the Igbo man wears. Very
Including me.
Evil man.
comes with a lot of illustrative.
Look at the mint.
The heads of an ago.
Look
the heads
at
of a
the
tiger.
material. It looks weird. This is the material.
Yeah, that's the inside. So you can see you can wear beads. These are accessories you can put on.
Oh yeah, I
You can
have
put on-
beads. I have
You can
beads.
put on a cap.
Me too. I have
You
that
know,
as well.
You can have accessories on your hand. You
Oh,
can
you could
have
hold that
accessories on
fan. You
your
could hold that
neck.
fan.
You can have accessories with you can also have the fan, you know. So all those are very beautiful things that we can wear. Who knows what this is
Abada.
called? Abwada.
Abwada. Isn't that
Abwada.
Yoruba?
Abwata.
Abwada.
Isn't that Yoruba, for heaven's sakes?
Yes, well, you're not wrong,
I have
but
I used to have
somehow
an abwada.
our traditional life, our cultural life as Nigerians are kind of
You guys
intermingled.
connect to each other and we wear different things. Like I have one as well, but it doesn't size me
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah, so this is called abwada. Have you seen
Abwada.
somebody when they wear it, they do something like this? They try to put that on their hand, like it's as if it's overflowing.
Hey, I do that. But that's because I
Yeah.
used to have one when I was a
Yeah,
baby.
it is a beautiful thing to have.
Yeah.
So if you have this is also a traditional clothes, especially for the boy or the man. Now, when we talk about the women, traditional clothes, you can see this beautiful
Rapper.
style.
But
They
sometimes the
wear,
boys wear rapper.
yes,
Like
at
me,
times the
I did
boys
that. I
also wear.
literally did that in my video, my music video. I
Yes,
wore a
yes,
rapper.
yes. Yeah, you can actually tie wrapper. Yeah, so
And some men have walking sticks.
yep,
walking
those are
sticks.
accessories to add
Like
up
my
to
dad.
Yeah, for sure. So those are accessories that help to make the clothes, make you look very rich when when you wear those accessories. So
Yeah.
you can see the young girl putting on her blouse and wrapper. Essentially, that's how most Igbo women would adorn their clothes. And for some, they also make them as gowns. You can see them, they wear gowns. It can be
What's
with a wrapper.
Ichafu? What's Ichafu?
Ichaf is what is on her head, the head tie.
Oh.
That's a head tie.
Is that an Igbo wear or is it Yoruba? Because I'm not sure about
Yeah,
that.
all the traditional, all the cultures wear it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can see the girl, she's wearing isiago, but she has sewn it as a gown. I see.
Oh. Yeah, just like that rapper I wore was like a lion, like the Ishiagu boy was like in a rapper.
Yeah. So you can choose to make a shirt from it. You can also choose to make it as a gown. You can also choose to make it as so any of those wrappers can actually be made into different things. But what makes it African? What makes it African is the fabric itself. The fabric makes it African. Most times, in the Western culture, they wear hoodies, they wear jeans, they wear shirts, plain shirts and stuff. But what makes what we wear African or Nigerian or Igbo is the fabric. So the fabric can either be made as gowns, like some have gowns, can either be made as blouse, can either be made as wrappers, and what have you. who has understood what traditional clothing is. So who can tell me what this young girl is wearing? Chimdioto, tell me the things that you see on her that she's wearing.
Beads.
Miriam, hold on, I didn't call you.
Beads. Wrapper.
Uh-huh. A chaffle. What else?
Beads.
Beads. Good. I
Makeup.
may amazing. Adima. Yeah, all those things are called accessories. Adima, very good. Very good. So this is what this is what you would choose from to wear. All the things that make, so you can actually have a wrapper that has either, a skirt, a blouse, a gown, an agbada, isiago. All of these are what, make up Igbo traditional clothing. So we're going to sing some of the songs we've learned so far. Kedu onye ga-agụrụ anyị um kedu onye ga-agụrụ anyị egwu? Anyị amụtala ụfọdụ egwu ndị dị iche iche. Kedu onye ga-agụrụ anyị egwu a? Kedu egwu Igbo ịma agụ? We shared a lot over the last week. Kedu onye lutelu? Onye bụ nwanne m? Ayo, mama, ayo. Kedu onye
Onye bụ
ga-agụrụ anyị?
nwanne m ayo mama ayo Jizọs bụ nwanne m ayo mama ayo. Onye bụ nwanne m ayo mama ayo ịmadụ n'olu ayo mama ayo ịmadụ n'azụ ayo yo ayo yo ayo ana yo ayo mama
Ayo.
oh.
Good. That song is telling us about brotherhood.
Sisterhood.
The Igbo man values family and brotherhood.
Onye
She's
bụ
asking,
nwanne m
who is my
nwanyị?
brother? And you can call your brother. Who is my sister? And you can call your sister's name. Onye bụ nwanne m? Ayo mama, ayo. Chimduso bụ nwanne m? Ayo mama, ayo.
Why did they say Jesus bụ nwanne m ayo mama? Is that like a response?
Yeah, you can actually put random names. It mustn't be only Jesus. Is just like, you're saying Jesus is my brother or something like that. So you can also say, call your brother. What's your
Ihe nna mere bụ
nwanne m ayo mama ayo. Somma bụ nwanne m ayo mama ayo. Mma dị n'iru ayo. Mma dị n'azụ ayo yo. So it's a folk song that promotes brotherhood. Yeah. All right?
Onye ga-aga igwu egwu iya ga-aga egwu. Onye ga
kedu onye ọzọ ga-agụrụ anyị egwu? Mmasị, kedu egwu ịma agụrụ anyị?
Onye ga-aga egwu iya
None.
Kedu egwu ọzọ ị ga-agụrụ anyị? Mmasị, be thinking o. Ka Chimdi ụtọ gụọrọ anyị. Chimdi ụtọ ngwa.
Oh. Mama, oh, mama, oh, yeah.
I think it's
yeah, I made that one up. I made a birthday song.
Okay, oya gụọ ya ọzọ ka nọ anụrọ m ya ọfụma.
Yakalake makant amomogi nani Hachuku gosyegi nancheta amomogi nani.
Oh my God, I got that on my birthday. It was the most beautiful gift ever. Thank you
When
so
was your
much.
birthday again?
September 26th. Okay, let's listen to this one. This one actually has to do with,
Hopefully we
our
hear a
mom. Can you
noise.
hear it?
Nope.
Can you hear it?
No, I don't hear a thing.
Hey. Uh-oh. I can only fit in American cooking in the past.
What? But can you see my screen?
Nope. Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you saying?
I can't.
Some guys dancing.
Can you hear them?
No. I can't hear it. I knew something.
Can you hear it?
No.
But you're just seeing it playing.
Yeah.
No, we're not even seeing it playing.
I am. Hopefully you don't need any of this.
You're not seeing it?
I can see it.
We can see it, but they just keep on pausing. So they're not really dancing. They're like
But
dancing.
but you can't hear it. You can't hear it.
Yeah, we can't hear it.
We
Yeah,
can't hear it
that
now.
happens most of
We
the
can't
time
hear
where you share screens for some little reason. Everybody that the future only just before.
Ayama, ayaga derima. You're not hearing it either.
hear it.
Yeah.
Hear it.
Can you hear it from your
No.
side? No, I'm not talking to
Oh,
you. I'm talking to Coach Nani.
yes, I can hear it.
I can't.
I can't.
All I can do is see it.
I
Really?
can only see it too. I think Coach Nani keeps. And now the screen's gone wide.
For some reason, it doesn't want to play. Let's try it again and see. Like for real. Let's see. Can you hear it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yay, we win. Okay, so
Asị m ọ bụ onye ga-aza mama ọ bụ onye ga-aza mama nne m ife dị mma ka m ga-achọrọ gị ife dị mma ka m ga-eme imele nne m ụwa
How many of us know
onye
the
ọ
song?
ga-adịrị mma ife niile dị mma ga-abụ nke gị mama nne ife ga-asọgbu m onye ọma onye ọ ga-adịrị mma Pope onye mụrụ ya
How many of us have heard this song before?
No, I've not heard anything like
This is my first time hearing anything
Are you
from
kidding
this
me?
guy called
like it.
Sir Jude Nam.
Good. Okay. So we're trying to okay,
We are the church. He says we are the church.
no, we're trying to actually sing the songs that we
Hey, did you write a song? It says Umoma series for Upa by Coach Noni. By Noni. Did you make that album? Hey, it's
don't know
Apostle Selman.
your
and it's
coach
Coach
has
Wendy.
your coach has many parts. Okay, let me stop feeding your eyes.
The only Igbo song.
So which Igbo song do you know?
To be
Which
what? To be true.
Obechuku.
Ineme obina samba. Like a little baby. You are
Hey, what's the name? What's it called again?
What's that?
Chinecherim.
obina samba. It's called
Okay.
obina samba. Ineme obina samba.
Okay, we know that.
Do you know smashing Chino? Chino. How you gonna smash the computer? Don't do that.
Shame.
Okay. Can you hear that?
No, okay.
Oh, yes. Yeah, hear it.
Butterflies in the belly.
Obina
summer. See the way you love me. See the way
Where you can me.
carry my matter for your head. Like a little baby. You watch over me. You know they carry me, they play. Obina
I want everybody to open their mouth and sing. Obina
because of Jesus, our sky overflowing, unlimited favor. It's like a river in my soul. Because of Jesus Christ, our sky overflowing, unlimited favor. It's like a river in my soul. If you gave it to me abundantly, you made everything brand new, everything brand new. Butterfly. Now they call me blessed because of Jesus. I said they call me favored because of Jesus. They call me blessed because of Jesus. I said they call me favored because of Jesus Christ.
Who knows what this song means?
You waited in a matter because you ate it so much.
Kedu onye ma ihe egwu a pụtara? What is obi na-asọ m? Kedu ihe bụ obi na-asọ m? Kedu ihe bụ obi na-asọ m? Kedu ihe bụ obi na-asọ m?
What did you say?
Gịnị bụ kedu ihe bụ obi na-asọ m? Obi na-asọ m kedu ihe ọ pụtara? Chimdi ụtọ.
My heart is joyful. My heart is joyful. Like you make my heart joyful or something like that.
Chimdi ụtọ. Kedu ihe ọ pụtara?
It means you gave me joy.
Good.
You make my heart joyful.
You make my heart to be joyful.
Yeah.
People now call me blessed because God has made my life joyful.
Can I say a song? Can I say a song?
Okay, what song?
Chinecherem, which means the God that thinks about me or something like that.
Okay. Yeah.
And then maybe after that we do Eze Bube. See how far you go. But I want Chinecherem because it sounds similar to my name. I like things similar to my name.
Okay, give me the song that you're talking about.
Chinecherem by what's his name again? Neon Adejo or whatever.
Neon Adejo.
Yeah, Chinecherem.
Do you know how to sing it? Sing it, let's hear.
Well, it's just a new song I just discovered, and I'm still trying to learn how to sing it. That's why I want to play it, so I can, try and practice it a little bit.
Okay, is it this?
Yeah. What's that note? Oh yeah, that's the name. God who thinks of me.
Tell me where for this. If not for grace, waiting I for me today.
I thought it was an English song.
You were there for me.
It's mostly English, but some a little.
Okay.
You know they for my hand.
Let me try and see if I can get
Ese Bube.
See how you came and you turned my life around from nothing to something.
this thing.
You were there for me. Onye nzọpụta. You know they for my hand. Oh, Chineke. Ọ dịka onye dị ka gị. Chinechere m. Eze na-aza m ekpere.
So who knows? Kedu ihe ọ pụtara? Chinechere m.
The God that thinks of me.
Okay. And
He named him.
there was something he said after Chinechere m.
Chinechere m. Eze na-aza m ekpere.
Eze na-aza m ekpere. Kedu ihe ọ pụtara?
I know Eze means king, so it has to be something with about king.
Eze na-aza m ekpere. Who knows that?
My king is not
Chimdoso.
small. My king is not small.
My king
Eze.
answers my prayers.
Amazing, my king that answers my prayers. Oh my word.
Your turn.
Amazing. Good. Listen to another one he said. Let's see.
Ọkụ na-ere. You were there for
Is that Okukumerere or whatever that?
Oku nerere. What
I know
does that mean?
Oku means
Ekeka,
light. Oku
kedu ihe
means
bụ
light.
Oku nerere? Oku nerere. Kedu ihe ọ pụtara?
Anointing.
Let's think. I think it. Oh, I get now.
Oku nerere.
Ne.
Nerere.
Like
Oku nerere.
light that never
Okunerere.
goes dim.
Lights that never. Wait.
Oku nere ere.
Like,
Oku nere ere.
um,
The fire that burns continuously.
To
the
burn,
burning bush
to
of
feel
Moses.
hot, or to burn.
You know the burning
the
bush
fire
in
that
the
burns you.
fire. The burning bush of Moses. Who remembers the burning bush?
Yep, me.
Yeah, so it's telling you Oku nere ere, the fire that burns. So it's trying to actually remember it was that fire, that the burning bush that got Moses attracted to, wonder why the grass and the bush was on fire, but it wasn't burning. So is that fire, Okunerere. God is called a consuming fire.
Oh
That
yeah,
means,
yes.
that means like when the Baal and Elijah and the Baal priests were in contest, remember?
Mm-hmm.
And say, let the God that answered by fire be the God. They were in a challenge, remember?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we call Chineke Oku Nerere. Chineke is God. Oku Nerere. Oku Nerere means the fire, the consuming fire, the consuming fire. Right? Okay. I want us to share another song that we were also doing this time around.
That guy's name after Travis Green. What song was it called again?
Omema.
No.
Omema.
Oh yeah, isn't that Igbo?
Leave the 99. Is that what one?
Yeah. Oh man.
Oh yeah, Muna, tell us the Igbo song you know. We're playing Igbo songs one after the other. I want everybody to share. And you tell us the one that you're going to learn and present. Chimdi Otokedo.
Tobechukwu.
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 Tobechukwu. He has done it for me. Again, but Tobechukwu.
Hey, who knows? Who
Kedu
made
ihe bụ Tobechukwu?
Tobechukwu pụtara Praise.
Pụtara gịnị?
Praise.
Okay.
Praise God. Praise
Praise
God.
God. Praise God. Amazing. Okay, this was one of the songs we
Tobe means praise or glorify, and then Chuku means God.
Yeah, so when we say Tobe Chukwu, we are saying let's
Praise
praise
God.
God. Okay, let's listen to
Tobe
this one.
Chukwu.
And
Okay.
somebody should tell me what it means.
So if we're speaking in English, we're basically saying praise God.
Okay,
Praise God.
is everybody seeing my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's listen to this one and someone should tell me what that was saying.
I don't even hear it.
I can't hear it too.
Okay,
No one's hearing this.
I can hear it.
Now we
Jesus, onye nzọpụta. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ. Amụrụ ya ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta.
I expect some people to move their body. Una, Master, everybody, let's go. Oh, sorry.
Trolling what?
Trolling my dad at his wedding.
You can never trust TikTok.
Yeah, don't ever trust TikTok. That's the most dangerous place to be. But I needed us to hear that song. Did you enjoy that song?
Yeah, it was good.
Guess who never trust TikTok up the clock.
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta.
Why do we need to go to Bethlehem where Jesus was born? And why do we need to know that he was in a manger? Because we know that already.
So who can sing that song? Who can sing it?
Yeah, but why is that?
Dabby, help us with that song. Dabby, help us with that song.
Job straight to her.
Mom's blurred out.
Dabby, sing that song for us.
Look, Daddy, that's Mom's blurred out. Look at her. This looks so cute.
Hey.
Anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ, amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ, amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ, amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ. Aha ya bụ Jizọs, amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ.
So everybody, let's follow her and sing. She'll be saying some songs and we say, Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ. So we're going to do this presentation on our graduation because it's a Christmas song and we're going to be launching into the Christmas, right? So we're going to start from the beginning. So the chorus is very simple. Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jesus, onye nzọpụta. So there'll be a time she will not be saying some things and we'll say, amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ.
They think that when he was laid in a manger.
All right, hold on. Let her sing so that we can listen. As she's singing, we'll follow her to sing. Everybody, 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Ka anyị
Anyị jee na Bethlehem,
Um,
ebe a
Ebe
mụrụ
a mụrụ
Jizọs,
Jizọs.
onye nzọpụta. Ka anyị jee na
na
Bethlehem,
Bethlehem.
ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta.
Now listen to her.
A mụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ.
Everybody. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ.
A mụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ.
Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ.
Aha ya bụ Jizọs.
Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ.
Onye nzọpụta ụwa.
Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ. Ike niile
Dị ya. No. O meriri ọnịlo.
amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ.
Ihe niile dị aka ya.
Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anọ. Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Ka anyị jee
na Bethlehem.
Okay, I'm typing the wordings in the chat room. Everybody bring your notes and write it out, and we're going to sing it. I'm going to send the link to our parents.
Is this gonna be like the main song out of all of them?
Yes, except anyone that has a special number that you want to sing on your own.
Okay.
But this is going to be our class presentation to our parents on our graduation day.
Okay.
Bethlehem. So everybody, I want to see you writing.
Okay.
Bring out your notes and your mkpịsị there. Weta akwụkwọ gị na mkpịsị odee gị.
Oh.
Ebe amụrụ.
Why are you asking me?
Onye nzọpụta. Onye ọbụla.
And I know I'm doing most of the work, so you can go get it.
Mmasị na mụ na kedu akwụkwọ Igbo unu weta nya oya.
Igbo books.
Weta mkpịsị odee gị ya na akwụkwọ ndetu. Di m dị ụtọ, kedu akwụkwọ Igbo gị? Ngwa dee ya. Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs. We're going to sing
my book and my pen.
I got my
book and my pen.
A mụrụ ya na ụlọ anọ. So this is our chorus.
Where?
I'm typing it.
Oh.
Have you written the main thing? The song that we are singing first.
I'm trying to.
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Oh yeah.
Jesus. So Jesus is Jesus in Igbo.
Yes.
Wow.
That's
I'm going to do this. Then move. You don't have to be big to smack me. And you did it again. By smacking me.
Di m dị ụtọ, ide gị a. Di m dị ụtọ, ide gị a.
Smacking who?
Just write in English. Well, I do not understand.
What's that? You know, her things,
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Kedu onye degolu ya? Mmasị amụna, gị nke unu na-eme?
Somebody smacked somebody, I think.
Somma, have you written it? Somma, Osi, Somma dị ụtọ. Unu edego egwu Igbo anyị ga-agụ.
Now I just need to write the title. Oh yeah, the title song. Summer, we have to write.
What is the title, guys?
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem.
Oh,
The title is Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem.
The title for me is song.
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem. The name of the song is Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem.
Kainje, but na Bethlehem. ebe mụrụ Jesus onye nzọpụta amụrụ ya na ụlọ anụ.
One, what you have to write is Kainidia na Bethlehem Ebe Amor Jesus. Wait, it's in the chat comment section.
Oh,
Is in the comment section. I've shared it there. So everybody should write it so that when we start singing, then everybody joins. So we are singing Kaija na Bethlehem twice. Then Dabi will sing some leading songs. Then we'll answer how we Amoroyano Lano. She will say something. Answer her Amoroyano Lano. Okay.
No.
Okay, we're going to do this. 3. Is everybody ready? 3.
No, I am not ready. No, don't stop, please.
mba.
Let. Oh, let's see. Oh, Kathy, aren't you finished your pizza? No, not pizza, pasta. Amoro. I just don't know how you say. Or should I say smell? Yes.
If you are finished writing, let me see your thumbs up.
Jesus and
Summer OC is done. Very good. Awesome,
I'm
girls.
done.
Chinemerem is done. Awesome. Girls, if you're done, let me see your thumbs up. Mona, are you done?
I made a yeah, it's supposed to be this.
Mona, why? Why are you not writing? Right.
It's because we can't find our books.
No.
You don't have a place where you keep your Igbo books?
I have a place. I have a
No,
shelf.
not really.
Look.
Yeah, you have to get one.
Ibon here. It says no, Ibon diama je ono ekene mono ina again tenanta.
So okay. Now let's listen to what we need to do.
Yeah. Nah. Hola.
I don't know why, but I really don't want to say goodbye.
Yeah, I know. I feel the same way, dear. But it's not a goodbye thing now. Okay, let's pay attention, everyone.
I don't want to say see you later.
Never mind, never. I know. Oh yeah, let's sing. Let's sing. Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay, unmute your mic.
Hopefully.
And let's do this.
Wait, can everyone hear me? Okay. Or am I unmuted? Or am I muted?
You're unmuted, brother.
Oh, thank you for letting me know, T brother.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Gabi.
Kaije na Bethlehem. Ebe mụrụ Jesus onye
na
Bethlehem.
Ebe mụrụ Jesus onye nzọpụta.
Everybody.
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem ebe mụrụ
Jesus
onye nzọpụta. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ.
Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ ọrụ.
So listen, see how it flows. She will take it high, then you bring it down. What you say, when she say, Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ, then you respond with, Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ. Okay. Now,
Get
I
it.
want us to listen. Let's start afresh. Dabi,
Bethlehem.
are we hearing it?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Can you
Everybody.
just love
Bethlehem. Oh, Jesus.
Jesus? Onye zọpụta. Amariano Lano. Amariano Lano. Amariano Lano.
Amụrụ ya. Amụrụ ya. Amụrụ ya.
Now Bethlehem.
Jesus. Onye zọpụta. Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem.
Invited, we ain't coming.
That's right,
My
bro.
dog is invited, we ain't coming.
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem. Ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta.
Jesus, onye nzọpụta, ka anyị jee na Bethlehem, ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ ọnụ. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ ọnụ. Aha ya bụ Jizọs. Onye nzọpụta ụwa. O meriri onye iro. Ike niile dị n'aka ya.
Bethlehem.
Ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta.
Na Bethlehem. Bethlehem.
Ebe a mụrụ Jizọs, onye nzọpụta. Ka anyị jee
Na Bethlehem.
ebe a mụrụ
Jesus.
Onye
Nzọpụta.
Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ ọnụ. Aha ya bụ Jizọs. Onye nzọpụta ụwa. O meriri onye iro. Ike niile dị n'aka ya.
Na Bethlehem.
Ebe a mụrụ
Jesus.
onye nzọpụta.
Nzọpụta.
Anyị jee
Na Bethlehem.
Let's go. Continue. Ebe a mụrụ Jesus.
Onye nzọpụta.
Number 2. Ka anyị jee
Na Bethlehem. Onye nzọpụta.
Jesus. Onye
onye
Nzọpụta.
nzọpụta. Dabịa ya. Amụrụ ya. Everybody.
Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ.
Dabi, continue.
Amụrụ ya
Ya
n'ụlọ.
n'ụlọ.
aha ya bụ Jizọs.
Amụrụ ya
n'ụlọ.
Onye nzọpụta ụwa.
Amụrụ ya
n'ụlọ.
n'ụlọ.
O meriri.
n'ọnịla.
Amụrụ ya
n'ụlọ.
Ike niile dị n'aka
Ike
ya.
niile dị aka ya.
Amụrụ ya
Ya
n'ụlọ.
Ee,
Na Bethlehem. Na
ebe a mụrụ Jizọs.
onye nzọpụta.
Again.
Ka anyị jee na Bethlehem. Ebe a mụrụ Jizọs.
My favorite part of the song because
Onye
it's so easy.
nzọpụta.
Ka anyị jee na
Bethlehem.
ebe a mụrụ Jizọs. Pause for that. Everybody. Amoriano Lano. Amoriano Lano.
Jesus.
Amoriano Lano. O meriri onye ilo. Amụrụ ya n'ụlọ anụ ka ije amụ Jesus. Everybody clap for yourself. Clap for yourself.
Hey.
Amazing. Was that not easy? Was that not easy?
Easy.
It's easy. We'll practice more. And yes.
Nana, why you crying?
So we're going to make sure that I'll send you the link, and I also
Don't know what's
send
wrong with baby boy.
and I'll send you the lyrics, both the Igbo
Are you
and
okay, kiddo? Chill, kid.
Okay. Any questions? Any questions?
We doing Kahoot today?
No, we did that last time. Chimdioto, any question?
So when we're doing the thing, I don't understand how we're gonna get parents to come.
No, we are the link that we'll send for the graduation ceremony will be there, and you use it to invite your family members and all your friends. They will join us. Just clicking on the link, they will join. Any other question?
Summer has a question.
Oh yeah?
Summer, do you have a question? You're saying I can't write what? No. Yeah, but Summer, you can ask her to help me because I forgot how to write it. No.
Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ajụjụ ka ị jụọ m. So we are going to write our final exam. Summer, I'm going to post our final exam in on our usual materials for final exam. And tell your parents if you have not booked your time slot for the exam. There's no class on Saturday. So people are going to be doing their oral test. Oral testing will start from tomorrow. So if you have not booked for your oral test, Mona, Mercy, tell mom to book your oral test slot. We have time for Fridays, Saturday, and Monday will be the last one. Then within this week, by tomorrow, I will send the final written exam. Feel free to write that final written exam. The final written exam, your oral exam will be added together, and your score will determine those that have done excellently, those that needs to still do more work, and those that needs to go to the next level. The next level will be early advanced. Okay? Any questions?
Miss, so the next meeting is Sunday, 6 p.m. in England.
Yep.
UK, that's England. UK, basically.
Yep. Next meeting, and that will be our final graduation. And what are you going to wear on that next meeting?
I can find some.
What are you going to wear? What are we?
Clothes.
What are we wearing? Who knows what we're... Mona, what are we wearing for our graduation on Sunday, 6 p.m. UK time? Summer, Osi, What are we wearing on Sunday, 6 p.m. UK time?
Native clothes.
Amazing. Do you have your native clothes?
Yes.
Amazing. Don't miss it. Do your final exam and take a slot tell mommy to take a slot for your oral exam so that you will have the most beautiful certificate. Everybody will be given a certificate for their excellent exam record. Who is
Okay.
excited?
I'm excited.
I'm already missing everybody. I'm already going to miss you all. But we'll be meeting in the Intercoco Club. We'll be meeting to rehearse and strengthen our Igbo confidence.
My
Okay.
last day here. I'm so sad.
Ọ dị mma. Kedu ihe anyị ga-agwa onye nkụzi anyị? Who remembers the instruction I gave for our graduation? Who remembers? What are the things I said we will do?
You said we're going to do musical.
What are the things we are going to do for our graduation? Before our graduation and our graduation, what are the things we said everybody will do and submit? Dabi, what did I say? Gị nke m kwuru maka ihe anyị ga-eme maka graduation anyị. I said so many things. Kedu ofu ihe ilote nkwu na anyị ga-eme? Dabi, are you hearing me?
Should I make a name lower in my stories? It says.
Is Dabi not hearing us? Can everybody hear me? Oh, Dabi, you don't know what we said? While we're waiting for Dabi, another person can tell me what we said. Just even if it's one or two things we said. Who remembers what we said for our graduation and this week? What are the things we are supposed to do?
I know.
Okay.
Traditional clothing.
Good.
And we're also going to do a video of like what we learned.
Amazing. When are we submitting that video?
By Sunday?
No.
Saturday.
No, we're submitting it by Wednesday next week because we are going to use it to do a spotlighting on you. Every child will be spotlighted to share your progress since you got into mommy work. So that video will be the ending part of it, where you say what all the things you've learned, your favorite thing about Umomibo Academy, and what you have to tell Coach Noni and Umomibo Academy and your fellow children. And it's very many things you learned, the food you cooked, the different things. Well, you are going to say it in Igbo. Aha m bụ Munachi, abụ m onye, ebi m na, ihe na-amasị m, ihe m mụtara n'ụmụ ọma Igbo, ihe na-amasị m n'ụmụ ọma Igbo. Amụtara m ụlọ maka ezinụlọ m. All the things you've learned. Just a short video. Then you show appreciation to Coach Noni and Umomibo and how he has helped you and how you're pumped up for the next level. Who has understood what I said?
Me and also, is there after our graduation, is there going to be another Igbo lesson with you?
Oh no, it's not an Igbo lesson. It's graduation ceremony on Sunday, 7th December, 6 p.m. UK time.
But
And
is there going to be another Igbo lesson with you? Another class?
that will be, yes. Oh, you are going to come in, but that will be in January. We'll have a break through December, but during the break, those that are in the Intercoco Club, so that they don't lose the Igbo they've learned, we'll be teaching them and presenting our Igbos all the time. But officially, our classes will end. We end with what? What else did I say? We've talked about wearing native clothes. We've talked about doing 1 minute video and sending it by Wednesday. What else have we said? What else? Who can remember? What's the third thing? Examination. What are the things I said? Chimdiota, what else did I say? Chinemere, what else did I say?
You said that we should do our task.
You said what was it called again? Oh, now I forgot.
Oral testing. There'll be
Yeah,
oral
I was
testing.
gonna say that.
So
Or exam.
book your slot for oral exam, and your written exam will be shared on the Umoma material link. Download that and do it and submit it. Both of them should be submitted. All exams should be turned in by Monday, December 1.
And
that will
then
be
by
the end.
then, but we would have finished all our classes by then, right?
Yeah. Oral exam will start from tomorrow.
So are you saying
Friday.
this is like the second to last time, like almost the last time we're gonna meet?
Yeah. This is the last time we're gonna meet until Sunday, December 6th.
Jeez.
Okay. Ngwa.
Sunday, December the 6th. I thought it was gonna be Sunday the 30th of November.
Bruh.
Sunday the 30th. No, we'll give room for people to write their oral exams.
I've got my timing wrong.
Yeah.
Got my timing wrong.
Adema. Ngwa Keme.
I will be meeting you later on Saturday.
You better.
Yeah. Book your slot. Adema. Ngwan Kemesia.
Yeah, monsieur.
Kemesia.
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 Okay.